Hey guys, Beth here. So I'm going to open my advent calendar for the 5th and the 6th. I think today's the 6th. My watch is all off. Yeah, it is the 6th. So I have these advent calendars here, the Essence one and the one that Just Nina made me. Okay, so first I'm going to open the Essence one right here. I'm going to sit down so you guys don't see half my face. Let me have a seat. Okay, here's the Essence one. I'm not going to look in the back because it does show the pictures. And today is the 6th, but I didn't open the 5th yet. So let's look for the 5th. It's on the other side, it looks like. Over here. And it's kind of a long one. So I don't know what it could be. Maybe a mascara. We'll see. Hopefully it's a mascara. I like Essence mascara. No, it's not a mascara. Oh, and it says something here. It says, brows speak louder than words. So I didn't realize that these say something, but I was watching somebody else open a different box and they were like, oh, it says something. So here it is. It looks like a white, yeah, to like clean up your brows with. It's just a clear, like waxy kind of thing. Not much came off on my skin though. Yeah, it's kind of stiff. So I don't know. It might be something that I declutter later because it doesn't seem like it's gonna work. So there's looks like a fail so far. And then number 6 is this right here. It's a big, like rectangular square type. It's a rectangle, not a square, but it's big. Oh, it's an eye mask, under eye mask. Okay, I love these. It just has like little stars on both ends and it goes under your eyes. I love these on the weekends to wear. So I'm excited to have that. Okay, so now into Nina's advent calendar she sent me. If you didn't watch the last video on my advent calendars, please go watch it. She sent me some really nice stuff, but they're not numbered, so I'm just kind of grabbing out of the box. So the first item for day 5 that I'm pulling out, or the one item for day 5, it's wrapped in this tissue paper here. And pretty heavy, good size, full size it looks like, of something. It says Ren Clean Skincare Perfect Canvas Clean Primer. Silicone free. And it says, please recycle. Cool. I haven't heard of Ren Clear Skincare. So yeah, I'm excited to try that out. And I'm going to pull something out from the side right here. The blue bag. And see what it is. What is this? Oh, carrot and dip and go. Oh, cool. It's like a little container to put it looks like you put your ranch on one side, right? And it says healthy snacking while on the go, office, school, travel. So you carry your carrots in it, and then you could also have your dip in there. So that's awesome. I need to start taking lunches. Here it is. There's the cat for the ranch. Let's see if I can get this open. Okay, I can't get it open, but here it is. And I think you store the carrots down here. So that's awesome. Very cool. Thank you, Nina. Okay, and was that it? No. Did I open one? I did open 2. Okay, that's all 4. But since this video is going kind of short and quick, I do have that box that I ordered from Tina Delgado. Her candle name, or her candle brand, is Uniquely Created, and this is what it looks like. She sent me a couple of cards. I'm gonna show you guys this one, and I'm gonna give these other 2 out to friends at work, other teachers, so they can order from her. And she sent me, she didn't have to do this, she's so sweet. She sent me 2 Swedish fish. Yay, I love candy, you guys, and I love like these jelly type candies, so I'm probably eat it tonight. Okay, and then Some stuff is going to be samples, I'm sure, because she sent me a lot of samples last time. I don't know if she did this time, but she might have. And it's been a while since I placed my order, so I might have forgotten. I did forget everything that I ordered. So here are some hazelnut coffee bean wax melts. And yeah, this is in the 3 ounce. And very cool. Their hat is just as handmade in New York. She's from New York, so yay. Thank you, Tina. I also got, let's open this. I'm definitely going to be like putting these in gifts for Christmas. Ooh, San Paulo Patchouli wax melts. I think I ordered this. I love this scent, but it's smelling like the smell from this packaging is going over to this, so I can't really smell it, but from what I remember, it's kind of like a masculine scent, and I love like those unisex kind of masculine like cologne type scents. Yeah, oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like a cologne. It smells so good. So there's that. Okay, I did order a couple of candles. So the first one here is fire roasted marshmallow. Ooh, okay, so I want to open it, but it might be a gift I give to one of my friends at work. So let me put it on the side. I might still open it depending on what else I ordered because I can't remember. I also ordered candy cane. Oh my god, that's so me. I love peppermint scents and cinnamon spice and vanilla. Okay, yeah, so I'm keeping cinnamon spice and vanilla because I am Latina and we love our cinnamon and vanilla, and I love this scent. The cinnamon, this candle. I'm gonna open it because I'm keeping it. I'm kind of like greedy here. I should have ordered it for my coworker, and she gave me this Yankee candle that's burning in the back, so it's almost done. I love the Yankee candle she gave me for my birthday. I didn't show you guys what I got for my birthday. I'll probably pop those in here in these Advent unboxings also, because I got a lot of gifts from people, and I was just like, oh, that's so nice. I want to share it. So I will share those with you eventually. But here is the candle. I wanted the 3-wick or 2-wick one because I just feel like the ones that have just 1 wick don't smell up the room as much. So I just wanted to get one of these fatter ones that smell the room up better. So I got that. I'm going to open up the candy cane because I'm keeping the candy cane. And my coworker is going to get fire roasted marshmallow, which also sounds like it smells really good. But I want her to try these candles. So I'm going to give her that for Christmas. And this one is a 1-wick. It's a smaller one because, you know, I'm a teacher. I don't make that much. So a lot of my money goes, I swear, to my classroom and to my students because they don't bring supplies and they ruin my supplies all the time. So I'm constantly buying more stuff. And I try to, you know, talk to them. Hey, like, I'm not rich here. But here's candy cane. Oh my god, it smells so, so good. This is going to go right by my bed because I love the smell of like peppermint candy cane. It just smells so good. So there's that. And that, I think is it. I'm going to check. There's a lot of little... she has these peanuts that are biodegradable in here, and I really appreciate that all her stuff is like earth friendly. I think it's like environment friendly stuff. Oh, I have some more stuff I did order. I forgot about these. So I bought more of those butterflies. I think I did a haul a while back. It was maybe a year ago when I ordered from her, or maybe not, or summertime. And there were these wax melts, and I just thought they were so, so cute. You have the yellow butterflies, and they smell like pineapple. Oh no, it's coconut mango. And then I got these soy wax melts as well. I might give these to my sister because she's been burning like regular candles. And when she blows her nose, like in the morning, she has black stuff coming out of her nose, which that is the problem with the regular ones, right? So when I had my kids, I did not burn candles at all because I was afraid of that. I seen like an article about people burning candles and they have babies and the babies wake up, they have like wax on their nose from breathing it in. She sent me a sample. So the sample is, it's Black Sea. It's a new scent, I think. It smells aquatic and like it has a sweet like berry scent to it, like a blackberry maybe, I'm not sure, but very nice. Thank you so much, Tina. Okay, and that is it for my video for today. I hope you guys are all having a good evening. Thank you for watching and hanging out with me, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye. Oh, one more thing, you guys, I forgot to ask you. So I was watching somebody, I think it was Carla. I'll have her link down below, but she was opening an advent calendar and she said she opens these 12-day of Christmas ones on Christmas Day. So you open on the first day of Christmas, second day, third day, and so on. Is that how you open this, you guys? Because I thought I was supposed to start opening this on the 12th day of Christmas, or the 12th day of December, and then open it, and then on the 12th day it'll be like Christmas Eve or Christmas Day. How do you open these 12 ones? Please let me know in the comments down below, and I appreciate you. Bye.